Good morning. Hope all of you are fine at home. Friends, sometimes some of my friends share with me their struggles of life. They say, I am honest and sincere in my doing, in my works, and my responsibilities. I am faithful to my daily assignments, but I am often not recognized and not accepted and not appreciated by others. Instead, I am criticized. My friends, my colleagues, my wife, my husband, my teachers, and my authorities do not understand me. I feel bored and rejected. I am discouraged and disappointed. To such my friends, I want to say, friends, nobody in the world is spared to criticism. Everybody is criticized by someone or the other. Therefore, when you are criticized by someone, believe that you are doing something good, something great. Sometimes we face difficulties not because we are doing something wrong, but because we are doing something right. That's why people criticize you. Accept it and do not defend. Keep your mind open to the criticism. Remember, there are two types of criticism: constructive criticism and destructive criticism. Constructive criticism is given by the concerned people. They like you. They want to see you growing. Therefore, they point out your mistakes for improvement. On the other hand, destructive criticism is given by those who do not like you. They do not want to see you growing. They do not want to see your good works. They will criticize you in front of others. They will make baseless and pointless allegations against you. There is no clue of their allegations. Such people do not want to find out the truth, but straightaway come to a conclusion. Such people are frustrated in their life. Their desires are not fulfilled. They themselves are not happy in the life. They do this because they want to destroy your self-esteem and self-confidence. That's why they criticize you. You should have sympathy for such people, and if possible, help them to come out of this kind of criticism. Therefore, you should be able to differentiate between the constructive criticism and the destructive criticism, and be able to know the intentions of the critics. You try to see the elements of truth in their criticism, and if it is found, accept it and try to rectify it. We all fail. Nobody is perfect. We all make mistakes. That is why there is an eraser in a pencil so that you rewrite your history. Remember, you cannot make people love, understand, validate, accept, or be nice to you. You cannot control either. Don't feel low when someone doubts your caliber. Just be proud of yourself, because people always doubt the gold for its purity, not the iron. You work for a cause, not for applause. You live your life to express, not to impress. If you believe you are right, but still people criticize you, hurt you, shout at you, don't bother. Just remember that in every game, Only audience makes noise, not players. Be a player. Believe in yourself. Do your best and God will do the rest. Don't live in the shadows of people's judgment. Make your own choices in the light of your own wisdom. Friends, you are not responsible for what people think about you, but you are responsible for what you give them to think about you. Therefore, each deed of yours is like a seed. Choose them wisely, as each will grow either thorns or flowers. Plan out your work, then work out your plan. The former without the latter is a sheer waste. The latter without the former is mere unproductive confusion. Most of the problems in life are due to two reasons. We act without thinking, or we keep thinking without acting. Remember, the person with good heart will always get more problems, because the tree which contains sweet fruits will get more wounds by the stones. People throw stones at the tree which is laden with the fruits. You can find inspiration from others, but determination is solely your responsibility. Accept both compliments and criticisms. It takes both sun and rain for a flower to grow. Remember, the sun never quits shining. Sometimes clouds just get in the way. Dark clouds will always pass, and the sun will shine another day. The sun is a daily reminder that we too can rise again from the darkness, that we too can shine our own light. Life is similar to a boxing game. Defeat is not declared when you fall down. It is declared when you refuse to get up. Get up, rise up, never give up. Sometimes people may not appreciate you and your work. But remember, this too shall pass away. So never give up on what you really want to do. A mistake that makes you humble is better than the achievement that makes you arrogant. Remember, a lamp does not speak. It introduces itself through its light. Honest and sincere people never expose themselves, but their good works expose them. Also remember, a lie does not become truth. Wrong does not become right. And evil does not become good just because it is accepted by a majority. Conquer the angry one by not getting angry. Conquer the wicked by goodness. Conquer the stingy by generosity, and the liar by speaking truth. Therefore, never regret being a good person to the wrong person. Your behavior says everything about you, and their behavior says enough about them. If they respect you, respect them. If they disrespect you, still respect them. Do not allow action of others to decrease your good manners and nature, because you represent yourself, not others. You cannot change the ocean or the weather, no matter how hard you try. So, it's best to learn how to sail in all conditions. All fingers are not in the same length, but when they bend, all stands equal. Life becomes easy when we bend and adjust in all situations. Every test in our life makes us bitter or better. Similarly, every problem comes to make us or break us. The choice is ours, whether we become victims or victorious. The greatest mistake we human beings make in our relationship is we listen half, understand quarter, think zero, and react double. So friends, dreams that seem possible can be realized with determination and persistence. No matter how distant it is, only you need burning desires. Stay at home, stay healthy and enjoy your life in all situations. May God bless you. Thank you.